Hi guys, I am Mina and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'll be transforming myself into ABG, which means Asian baby girl. They somehow look like a baddie. So I'm not really a baddie, I don't have real tats, so I'm gonna fake all of them, but I'm gonna do my own style of makeup. I'm gonna be changing into baddie clothes, and of course, an ABG wouldn't be complete without boba. I wouldn't be able to do my nails because everything's closed, nothing is open because it's quarantine still in our country. So let's start with makeup.
1, 2, 3, fuck it.
My darling, I love you, 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 I love you
I'll be starting off with Fit Me foundation in what is this? And I don't know. Ah, classic Ivory.
If I had no cash to spend, if I forget we had plans.
Next, I'll be doing a contour. This is from Studio Fix MAC Concealer in shade A48. I'm just putting them lightly because it looks so dark and I don't wanna have really dark contour so that we still look natural. So I'm just gonna put lightly and then some on my nose, under my chin, and for a more V-line look, I'm gonna be adding one on my jawline. Next, I'm gonna do a concealer. This is a Nars Radiant Creamy Foundation in Custard. Some on my nose and my forehead. Some on my chin. So now I'm gonna be using my Nichido baking powder. Just rub it under my eye. Someone else? No, Janet. And that's it. We are done. No, just kidding. We're just getting started. So for this look, I'm gonna try something new. I'm gonna use a brow soap so that I would have the bushy brows, and I'm gonna be using Glow Realm brow soap. It comes with a spoolie, cute pink spoolie, and I'm gonna bend it a little bit there. So in the directions, it says mist or wet your spoolie with water. So this is so cool. So now I placed a little bit of water in the brow soap itself and here, and I'm just gonna apply it on my brows upward.
If I had no cash to spend, if I forget we had plans.
I actually really like this product. This is my second order from them. I'm gonna be linking down where I got mine from, and it's really worth it. Now for the next step, I'm gonna be adding a little bit of my Fork Eyebrow Tint from Althea, Philippines. My brow is done. Look at that. It's good. Was good. Next, we are doing our eye makeup. Oh, whoa. For the eye, I'm gonna be using my Morphe palette, my very dirty Morphe palette. And let's just play with the colors. So with the base, I will start off with this color. And the base. I am going in with this. Let's try it. Next, I'll be going with this color for the edge of my eye. And I bought this brush cleaner. Just rub off the excess powder or eye makeup. And you don't have any on your brush anymore. And now I'm going with a shimmer with this color. I'll add shimmer to my inner corners. We go on to the next. We're gonna be using our eyeliner, back gel, draw eyeliner.
If I had no cash to spend, if I forget we had plans.
Look, see that? See that? This is a mess. So I gotta clean this up. And we're going on with our false lashes. I'm gonna be using this. I'm gonna be trying this out for the first time. Let's see if it's pretty. And this is really cheap, by the way. What I usually do with my false lashes is I cut them before I wear them because usually they go really big for my eye. So I cut them a bit. And while blowing, another trick for false eyelashes is that you bend them. You bend. And blow. And now let's brush off the excess powder. I have my cream blush here and just apply lightly to my cheek before I apply the powder blush. So I'm gonna get my MAC powder blush. And now I get my Hoola contouring powder, lightly dab, move excess, and just go over the contour that we had earlier. Let's add a little bit of aegosal. And time for our Shining, Shimmering, Splendid. What was this again? Highlighter! Yes, correct, highlighter. I'll put one in my inner corner. Some on my nose. I don't like putting too much on my cheekbone. Just a little bit. This is one of my favorite lipsticks. It's our MAC Powder Kiss lipstick devoted to chili. Do you see that? And now we are done with our makeup. Now we go to our hair. So let's curl our hair now. So we are done with our hair. Now it's time to change. My outfit now. This is what I look like. And in 3, 2, 1. And we're back. So now this is a casual body look. Both black. Black tube with black biker shorts. So of course, this wouldn't be complete without accessories. It says, follow your heart. Oh. And of course, we are gonna match that with our bling blings. She lit. This is it. This is what's gonna make me look like a complete ABG. Yeah, girl. She got them tattoos. I can't find the sleeve type tattoo, so I got them. But this looks so aesthetic. Look at them. Okay, let's use her. Let's try one here. She needs moisture. No break. She aesthetic. Okay, we're not done, so quit playing. Let's try this one in where do we put her? In here. She's small, but she cute. Girl, we did not remove. Fail. We did. Oh no. I am such a fail. I did not remove the plastic. Did he stick? Would he stick? He didn't stick. Oh, bye. She's perfect. I feel like she enough. I feel like I need to add more of the tats here. She a bad girl. Okay, so this is our look. Our ABG Asian baby girl look.
I just got a message from my new dude. Where you at? Question my blues, clues. I sat in the house and he said come through. I jumped in the car and it was zoom, zoom. I think I pulled up too soon. I just sent a message saying get me from the front. He came out to see me, he was confused. That's when I realized that he was a shit. You would dummy loving Tatiana. Only woman with 100 on me. How you play me for a fake hoe? New Chanel with the gator bonnet. Run it, yeah. You tried it.
To complete this look, of course, we need milk tea, boba. And of course, I do not want to go alone. Let's call our friend to do this with us.
Hello?
Yo,
This is such a wrong club.
you're in a what? Bro, let's get milk tea.
Okay.
I'll be there.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
So we gonna get our milk tea. Lego. Girl, tell me, hey. What do I do? So she is here.
Can you teach me how to doggy? You know why? Because all the girls are hey. Look at how long our legs are. Wow. Oh, mukhang tanga. That's what aesthetic. It was from there to here, just to touch your butt. Picture?